In this video, we will go through AWS auto scaling in deep dive. So, let's get started with this video. Introduction to auto scaling. Let's begin by understanding what auto scaling is. In AWS, auto scaling helps us automatically manage the number of EC2 instances running our application. It can add more instances when demand increases or remove instances when demand drops. This only not ensures that our application performs well, but also keeps cost under control since we only pay for what we use. Then comes what is auto scaling group? Auto scaling group or ASG is basically the heart of auto scaling system. It's a logical group that manages EC2 instances based on our defined rules. We set parameters like minimum, maximum, and desired capacity. For example, always keep at least 2 instances running, but scale up to 10 when needed. The ASG, which is Auto Scaling Group, uses a launch template or configuration that defines how new instances should be created, such as which AMI instance type and security group to use. Also, it can spread instances across multiple availability zones to increase fault tolerance. Now, as we know how auto scaling and what is auto scaling, let us see how auto scaling group works. Auto scaling group continuously monitors the health of EC2 instances. If any instance fails health checks, the auto scaling group automatically replaces it. Scaling actions, either scaling out or scaling in, can be triggered based on policies, schedules, or CloudWatch alarms. It also integrates closely with services like Elastic Load Balancer and CloudWatch, which we will discuss further in this video. Now let us go through instance refresh in a auto scaling group. Instance refresh is a powerful auto scaling group feature that allows you to update your instances safely without downtime. For example, if you update your AMI or change configuration in the launch template, you can start an instance refresh. AWS then gradually replaces old instances with the new ones, one batch at a time, while ensuring the group stays healthy and within desired capacity. It also allows pausing or rolling back if an issue occurs, making updates more reliable and automated. So, this is what the instance refresh is in ASG. Let us move forward to the next slide. Now comes the elastic load balancer. When we integrate an auto-scaling group with an elastic load balancer, traffic distribution becomes seamless. The elastic load balancer automatically routes traffic to all the healthy instances in the ASG. When new instances launch, they are automatically registered to the load balancer. Similarly, when scaling in, instances are first deregistered before being terminated to ensure no active connections are lost. The tight integration ensures your application stays responsive and highly available. Now comes the third topic, which is CloudWatch Alarms. CloudWatch is the monitoring service that makes dynamic scaling possible. We can set alarms that monitor metrics such as CPU utilization or request count. For example, if average CPU usage goes above 70% for 5 minutes, CloudWatch triggers a scale-out policy, adding more instances to handle the load. Likewise, when traffic drops, another alarm can scale in the instances to save cost. This combination of CloudWatch and auto-scaling gives us a flexible, fully automated environment in which we can save our money and also the resources. In summary, auto-scaling provides several key benefits. So let us go through what are the benefits of auto-scaling. First, it ensures high availability by always maintaining the desired capacity. Second, it improves fault tolerance by replacing failed instances automatically. Third, it optimizes cost by scaling only when needed, in which you already knew that the last slide CloudWatch alarms are used. And finally, it keeps performance consistent even during traffic spikes. To wrap up, AWS auto scaling is a cornerstone of building scalable cloud architectures. The auto scaling group handles your instance management. Instant refresh keeps your infrastructure up to date safely. And integration with Elastic Load Balancer distributes load effectively. And CloudWatch Alarms ensures your application scales in real time based on matrices. Together, these features makes AWS applications highly resilient, efficient, and cost-effective. That was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching me.